So, dancehall artist Unycorn has been found dead. And I didn't want to do this story until I got definitive answer that he was really dead, because there was just a lot of mix up going on social media. So, it's been confirmed that he's dead. Unycorn is known for music with Macka Diamond, Think Bout Me, Cowfoot, and Hula Hoop. And the story says slain dancehall artist Unycorn was concerned about venturing into certain communities. Fellow entertainer Macka Diamond said, "I am still in denial and shock. I just spoke to him about True Blue's death and he told me he was staying away from certain areas," she said. He was saying that to how the area them around a pure war and him now go some places. Him never say him scared, but to me he sounded like he was scared. So me frightened when me hear where him dead. Unycorn, whose given name is Dovian McMurray, was found lying in a pool of blood on Bowens Road, Walham Park Road, Kingston 13 on Sunday. Reports are that he was shot dead by unknown assailants shortly after 5 p.m. He sustained gunshot wounds to his upper body. True Blue, a music producer, was shot and killed by a gunman alongside Maxfield Avenue in St. Andrew in late October. When quizzed about whether Unycorn may have been involved in any wrongdoing, Macka Diamond dismissed the idea, stating she believes his death was a matter of being in the wrong place at the wrong time. According to what me hear from him family, a town him a come from and decide to go link him family because around there so him come from and the things just happen, she said. Him never sound like him mix up in a nothing, a just wrong place at the wrong time. Them area there is like once things are going the place wicked. So that was what Macka Diamond had to say about Unycorn's death. And quite honestly, something doesn't sit right with me with this story. First of all, if you come from a certain place in Jamaica, no matter how hot that place they're on, I don't understand why would he feel like he can't go to the place where he was born and raised in. So that for me right there is a red flag. And honestly, when he died, I was like, who is Unycorn? I didn't even really remember who he was until my husband actually reminded me of him. So another good dancehall artist is taken too soon, whether them take them by gunshot or kill them or just throw them in a jail. It's one thing or the other. So it's very disheartening to know that this man just went to go look for his family members and then just shot him and kill him. But that goes to show how red Jamaica they run, and no matter how them talk about Zoso this and Zone of Special Operation, that obviously is not working because innocent people's lives are being taken. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story. Do you think something is up? Do you think he was mixed up in some wrongdoings? Do you think he was at the wrong place at the wrong time? Tell me what you guys think about this story, because something doesn't sit well with this story for me personally. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. Okay? I'm out of here, man. Deuces.